Hello guys, let's add lamb to our scene. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. Let's create an outside lamp. So I'll start by placing cursor to word origin. Shift S, place cursor to word origin. Okay, it's already at word origin. So I'm going to insert a cube. I'm going to add a cube. I'm going to bring it up to somewhere there. Tap into edit mode. I'm going to scale this cube. Let me bring it out here so we'll see. I'm going to scale this cube. Bring it somewhere there. Scale it a little bit in the x-axis. So I'm going to select this, and extrude and scale. Then bring this up a little bit. And I'm going to extrude again and bring it up. So I'm going to scale. I'm going to scale this in, bring it up a little bit. Oops. Bring it up a little bit. And I'm going to extrude again. Then leave it there. Let's add a loop cut. Control R. Then leave it somewhere there. Then Control R again. Leave it somewhere there. Then let's go to the side. Let's go to the side and do the same. Add the loop cuts here. Then add another loop cut here. Okay, that looks cool. So let's select this edge. Let's select these faces. So I'm going to extrude this down. I'm going to scale. I'm going to scale. I'm going to bring it up, and I'm going to scale in a little bit. I'm going to extrude again. Then let's leave it there. Then select this. Let's select these faces. Let's extrude and scale. And increase the scale. Can increase the scale a little bit. Then let's select this. Then Control B to bevel a little bit so that it won't look too sharp. So let's do the same here. Select. So I'm going to place my cursor here and add Shift A and add a torus. I'm going to reduce the minor radius. Oh, that looks so thin. I'm going to reduce the major radius. Let's see what we're doing. So I'm going to reduce the minor radius. I think that's okay. Can increase this a little bit. I think that's okay. So I'm going to rotate this. I'm going to rotate this R90. So drag it up and scale it a little bit. I think it's too much. No, let's rotate this. Then let's select this face. Oops. Then extrude scale. Bring this up. Extrude scale. Then extrude a little bit in. Then let's select this L to select and place this here. Put top view. Okay. Place this at the center. Then let's add material to this. Select this whole object. Go to material view. Add a new material. Let's name it lamp. So I'm going to add a dark, let's give it a dark brown color. Shift A to add a noise texture. So I'm going to connect this color to color. So I'm going to add a color ramp as usual. Shift A to add a color ramp. So let's use a darker brown. So I'm going to make it a little bit metallic. So let's tap into edit mode. Select these faces. Select these faces and add a new material and assign to these faces. So I'm going to add emission to this. Name this lamp emission. Lamp emission. So I'm going to add emission to this. So I'm going to change the color to yellow. I'm going to increase this. I want it to be very yellow. And it's yellow. That's okay. I'm going to set origin to geometry. and move this. Oops, scale this a little bit and move this here. Oops, go to the side, select this and move this here. Move this in the y-axis. Select this, place this here. Okay. I think this is too big, so we can as well tap into edit mode. We can as well tap into edit mode. A to select everything. Place cursor here. Place your cursor here. Shift right click to place your cursor. Change this to 3D cursor and scale. Then scale in the Z axis to make it longer. Then tap out of edit mode. Then let's move this up. Oops. So I'm going to mirror this. Add a mirror modifier. Then Shift A. Oops. Then Control A. And click on All Transform. Alright guys, in the next video, we're going to add grass to our environment. Hope to see you there. Don't forget to like and subscribe.